Hello and welcome everyone to AnubhavTrainings.com with me on this SAP Analytics Cloud Planning tutorials. In this planning track tutorial, we are going to learn about applying formulas on your planning data models. When we wanted to calculate some values on different account dimensions, we can apply formulas at the model level. When formulas are applied at the model level, they affect all your different versions which are currently available in the entire model. So let us go ahead with a simple use case to apply the formulas. So I've got already a planning data model, and using the planning data model, I have already created a report. As you can see in my system, I have data for calculated gross revenue for EMEA region with the unit and stored price. Now, when I come back to the report which I've created, I can see here I am not yet calculated the gross sales amount or gross revenue for the EMEA and APJ region, right? We don't have this value. But at the moment, I have the unit price available, and also the stored price is also available in the system. So what I would like to do is I would like to calculate my total revenue for the EMEA region based on my units and stored price. So for that, what I'm going to do is I will go back to my planning data model, and over here I will write a formula to calculate my revenue for EMEA region. So come back to the formula tab and just click on this FS function to open up the formula builder, and over here you can start writing your formula. Remember, when you're writing a formula, the code completion help will support you to be able to choose the different account dimensions. For example, when I type U, it shows me all the possible formulas in the entire system, including also my dimensions, including the account dimensions in the system. So for example, I type unit, you can see my unit account dimension is now visible. I double click and choose, I press multiply, and then I will say stored price, and I can see I've got the stored price. So I multiply both of them and click on OK. And there you go, my formula is created. Let's click on Save button. Now, similar to this formula, I can go back and apply different formulas. For example, if I would like to write an if condition on my particular version data, so my version dimension category equals to control space, I would like to say it's if the version is actuals, then probably I would like to use the gross sales dimension from the system. So like this, you can also write combination of if else, looping, and perform different variety of operations within the formula option. For more details on entire formula bar and applying complex formula for FTE and different revenue calculation, including allocation formulas, please subscribe my training on AnubhavTrainings.com. In my training, we're going to learn all the capabilities which SAP Analytics Cloud offers regarding the planning. For now, let's click on Save. And now, since we have calculated the gross sales or gross revenue for EMEA and APJ, we can go back right away to the story. And I can just quickly go ahead and refresh my data set as a result of that. But what I see now, right now, system has not calculated the same, because the reason being my stored price is not available. So for that stored price to be made available, we're going to go back again to our data model. And for the stored price over here, I'm going to apply an aggregation. So let me switch it over to the stored price. And over here, you can see the aggregation value is none. We're going to switch it over to the sum. And I can click on Save button. Now this calculates my aggregated stored price for the products available in the system. And based on that, my complete revenue for the EMEA and APJ region will be calculated. Let's come back. We can just go back and refresh over here. And there you go. You can see system has calculated my revenue for EMEA and APJ region depending on the stored price. So that is how we can go ahead and always apply complex formulas, conditional formulas, and also different formulas performing different kind of calculations like FTE calculations, revenue calculations in SAP Analytics Cloud model. So I hope you enjoyed this video, introduction of formula. For complete detailed training on planning and SAP Analytics Cloud, please subscribe my course on AnubhavTrainings.com, and I'll see you in the next video.